to say. Yes, queen. To the stars, Bowen. Huh? What was that? Just kidding. Don't care. This bed's just right. This game's fucking awesome. Wait, what? Is that telling me what I think it's telling me? If I run to the frost I put on the floor, I'm gonna slide across it so I can actually reach him? You think that's what that's saying? I really hope that's what that is.
What do I have to lose?
Oh, wait, no, I think it means... I think it means if you walk there, you're gonna slip. These suck, honestly. Do you want these? This sucks. I guess we could see this. I mean, look at this, like, mix and matching you can do. Oh, that's not bad. No, it's another thong. It's not good. Thongs are grotesque. There, I said it. You know what? I said it. Why is Asterion wearing a thong? I'm just a funny little furry little boy. I never did nothing. I didn't mind my own business. What's in here? Ah! How do we just fucking crack
There's something underneath here.
Yeah, let's break it.
There's
How do we
something
break
underneath here.
I thought maybe that was the answer, but it wouldn't let me click on it, so I clicked over. Hell yeah! Let's beat the shit out of these people.
There is something unknown and unspeakable deep within your heart.
Yeah, my soul is like that. It's like a dark abyss. You can't even speak it. You can't even fathom what's inside of my soul. You couldn't even understand it. It's like its own language. It's like a codex. You couldn't even decode my codex. My internal introspective lexicon is so beyond yours. You could never mentally spar with me. If you read my poetry, you'd probably explode. I'm the dark urge. What's up, baby?
Keep their confidence.
Yes, in great detail. It starts with a fever and memory loss.
Oh, she likes to tell
Then
me
you
that.
start to hallucinate. Your hair falls out, and you bleed from every orifice. Your bones will change form. Your jaw will split to allow room for 4 great tentacles. All skin will turn to gore and be shed to reveal new flesh underneath.
Why,
Then you have ceased to exist, and a mind flayer is born.
Kind of really like her now. What the hell? Why is all the food rotten here, man?
That's just blue cheese. Oh, dude! Let's go.
Is it limited or something? I'm not sure. I failed. So what does that mean? I just looked at it and thought about it and went, fuck it. Stumbled in my brain and said, wait, no, I can do this again. Anyway, don't ever touch me again, you flea-bitten rat bastard.
You claim victory over the squirrel, though you're not sure why you were fighting to begin with.
Run your pockets, rat. Alright, well.
It's not over.
That just happened.
Honestly swore to devote her life to your
Awooga, movie detectives. Awooga, jaw drops to the floor, eyes pop out of sockets, accompanied by
You
trumpets,
recall nothing
heartbeats
of
out
her,
of
don't
chest,
you?
fireworks shoot from top of head and pants loudly as tongue hangs out, exhale, exhale. Awooga. Awooga! Booba in the building! These two options, I'll tell you right now. Shit, Obi, I got fucking -1 end. Okay. Wild shape into a spider. Oh, I thought it was a way smaller spider. Anyway, crawls in your vagina. Let me in!
Let's see what I have.
Yeah, I mean, I just said
So I
that.
click
Let's
this,
see
what I have,
Yeah,
and then it shows me my entire guy.
Oh, it shows you my guys and everything. That's so freaking cool. Oh, it shows you my guys and everything. That's so freaking cool. Let's go! That's sick, dude. You can actually like look at my character and my portraits are there and everything. I like the barrel. Fuck. I mean, that's fine. What is this ball? I found the ball in Baldur's Gate. What the fuck is this thing? Oh, it's a vase. Alright. This game's I thought it was a basketball. I was like, why is there a fucking basketball in this game? That doesn't make any sense. It is a vase. Papaya, 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 dun dun, papaya, 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 papaya.
Watch this. Brown some beef or any other meat with a ramen seasoning pack. Dump in a package of ramen, a good-sized squirt of ketchup, and a can of cola. Yeah.
What? There's a bootleg Chili's out there. I saw one. I used to drive by it all the time, and I laughed every time I saw it. Because you know how Chili's, they have like the big sign that says Chili's, and then there's like a little red pepper on the thing. I saw a place called Peppers, and it has the same font and everything, and it's called Peppers. But there's a little chili that's less red than the Chili's chili, and he's wearing a sombrero and a mustache like he's in disguise. Like he's like, hey, what's going on, man? It's not me chili, it's me Pepper. I'm a new guy on the block. I hated that toothbrush. It finally died. It sucked. I got a newer one that was cheaper. It was like $29.99. It is the craziest toothbrush I've ever had. It comes with so many options. It feels so good. It gets every nook and cranny. It has a white and a Polish section. So take that, Poland.
For example, the street one over from me is called Fairfax. That one's not, but there's also High Point and then Crescent Heights. So actually, no, it doesn't do that. And next we're going to just conjoin the tips to make a donut shape. Here we go.
And starts to sing and even shakes her tail feathers.
There's nothing more in the world. If I were an 80-year-old something man, that would make me want to finally take my hands in my own life and fucking kill myself, than if my children or grandchildren brought this into my home and then left. They did their daily, their monthly, bi-monthly, hey, go see grandpa, drop off some beans for him, and then be like, hey, we like you, grandpa, bye. And then the moment they leave and I'm in my empty house alone with boxes stacked to the ceiling and there's this thing left on my fucking counter looking at me going, fucking shoot myself in the head. Instantly. Just the moment the door closes, I would be like, yep, oh, now's the time. Like, I would take it as a sign from fucking God.
Cheerful lilting song can keep you company all day long.